If your Miele dishwasher is displaying an F11 error and you're getting a flashing light over here, it means there's a problem with the drainage. It could mean that the pump is not working or even the drain pipe is blocked. The first thing is to power down the dishwasher. I've switched it off. I'm now going to inspect the filter and the drain pump. Remove the bottom basket. Now I need to open this, so I rotate this anti-clockwise and remove the bottom spinner. I pull this out vertically upwards. I quickly inspect it and just see that it's not blocked. Now I'm showing that there's a pool of water here. That means that the dishwasher is not draining. So either the impeller is blocked over here, maybe there's a toothpick or something is blocking it, or the drain pipe is blocked. If your dishwasher hasn't been moved and no one's fiddled with the back of the dishwasher, then I would start here. If somebody has recently moved other furniture around your dishwasher, then maybe start looking at the drain pipe. But I'm going to start over here. Now there's a lot of water here, so I'm going to try and scoop up some of this water before I start. Now there's still some water here. I could put a towel here to just suck up some of this water, but it's not a requirement. But I am sucking out some of this water so it's easier for the camera to show. You do not need to suck out all the water in order to inspect the impeller. I'm doing this just so that I can show you the footage. You'll notice a plastic protrusion here and almost the platform here. I squeeze the protrusion towards the platform and then I pull vertically upwards. This comes vertically upwards. All right, so that is what's locking it in place. I just push this towards the center. I now have access to the impeller. The impeller is there at the bottom. I'm showing the impeller at the bottom there. Look for any obstructions in this area. You can rotate that impeller a few times in your fingers. It will offer a bit of resistance. That is normal. To return this piece, I just slide it towards the bottom there. Notice how it sits quite deep inside there, and then I just press with my finger on this platform. I heard a definitive click and I can feel that it is in place. If you're not sure, you can squeeze this and then you can see it pops out again. It can only go in one way and it makes that definitive click. I've removed any obstructions there and I return the filter. If the filter doesn't go in easily, just allow it to self-correct. I now replace the ring and I turn clockwise. This is now in place. I can return the bottom basket. After inspecting the pump section and the impeller, check the outflow pipe. This is the outflow pipe and I want to see if water can flow out of this pipe, if there's any obstruction or if there's anything on the pipe along the route. Check the pipe hasn't been twisted or bent or squashed. Now I can power the dishwasher back on. I can choose the load and see if it works. After removing an obstruction, everything should work as normal again. You should be able to hear and you can even go and have a look if water is flowing out of that outflow pipe. If you followed the steps and it's still giving that error, you'll need to do further analysis. According to the manual, they recommend calling a service representative.